A very warm welcome to you. Thank you for joining us again in this tutorial where we are going to be learning about instantly.ai. Instantly scales your outreach campaigns with unlimited email sending accounts and warm-up, B2B lead database, and generative AI. So if you have an account that you need to do some warm-up, this is the tool to use. In this YouTube channel, we have another video about how to do the warm-up for email, and you are welcome to watch that. But in this tutorial, we are going to go through how to use instantly.ai. So you will go to instantly.ai, and that link is available in the description of this video, and this is where it will lead you to. So at the top here, you notice we have leads, and with leads, you can generate more positive replies within 30 days. And then the next item we can use on email, on instantly, is the email warm-up. And with email warm-up, you get an automated warm-up tool that keeps your email out of spam and improves your sending reputation with positive email interaction. When it comes to the pricing of Instantly, it is very friendly. You notice that for the growth goes for $30 per month, and then for the hyper growth, it goes for $77.6 per month. And we also have a free plan, and all these features are available depending on the plan that you select. So at the top here, if you want now to get started, you click on get started at the top there, and then you put your name here, your email, your password, and then you click on join. And then you'll verify your email through the link that will be sent to you, and that will bring you here. Now, this is the homepage of Instantly once you are logged in. You notice on the top right corner, my details appear there under my profile here. You notice my organization and all the settings, and then the log out part is here. So to connect a new email that you want to warm up, you click at the top here, add new. You notice connect accounts to keep warm and send emails from. You click on add new. You can use Gmail, G Suite, Office 365, or even IMAP. So to use Gmail, you'll click on Gmail, and then you'll have to enable IMAP on your Gmail. How do you enable IMAP on your Gmail? You simply go to your Gmail account, and then you click on the settings tab here, and then you click on see all settings at the top here. And then at the top here, you notice we have forwarding and POP IMAP. You click on that tab so that down here, you can see IMAP access status here. Currently, it is disabled. So for you to activate that, you'll click on enable. And so you'll then come back here. After enabling it back there, you click on yes, IMAP is enabled, and then you follow the prompts, and then your email that you'll add here will be warmed. Next, apart from adding your email, on the top left corner here, you can also do what we call the lead finder, and you can start your search by applying filters on the left hand side to use as presets. You can notice currently we don't have any presets. For instance, you can notice we can do that for job titles, location, industry, employees, revenue, keyword filter, and all this. So you can do that depending on what you want. And for enrichment, if you click on enrichment here, you can simply upload a list of people and enrich their information. And you start by clicking on create new so that you can create a new list, and then you can give the list name. Maybe this list name will be for customers, and then you click on create, and then you can now upload either from your CSV or from Google Sheets. So that's how you upload that. Next, you can also do campaigns. You simply click on campaigns on the left hand side, and then you can add campaigns from instantly. And your campaigns will even have the status, the date, and then they'll have the click tracking and opportunities. You can also apply filters at the top here in terms of the statuses, in terms of active, draft, post, error, or even completed. You simply click on add new at the top right corner here, and then you add the campaign name here. So we can call this campaign name trial, and then you click on continue. And then now you notice you can add leads to your campaign, or you can click on resume campaign at the top here, and you can also share your campaign here. So you can look for the analytics of your campaign, the sequences, the schedule, and all this. So you can add all this. So you want to add a lead, you simply click on add leads, and then now you can again use either lead finder, or you can use emails which you can enter manually. You can also use Google Sheets. If you click on lead finder, you can simply search here from what you want to search in terms again of all these industries. If it's an industry, you can divide that from either agriculture, mining, and all these other. In terms of location, again, you can change the location and search for a specific place. Next, we have a Unibox within Instantly, and the Unibox will have all the details you need for emails that have been found. Now, this is a new email, so there's nothing new. There's no new emails here. And then still under Unibox, you can also view your CRM if you have an upgraded plan. And with CRM, you need a hypergrowth plan to unlock that feature. Next, to view analytics, you simply click on analytics, and then you are able to see what has been happening with your mails. You can see the total sent. You can see the open rate, that is for the email that you sent, the opening rate in terms of percentage, how many were clicked, how many were replied to, and of course you get to see the opportunities, and you also see the amount there for that opportunity. At the top here, you can also share your analytics. You can also decide to filter your analytics. If you have a lot of details here, you can come at the top here and then you filter in terms of either active, post, or even completed. You can also filter that in terms of time, maybe for the last 4 weeks, for the last 7 days, and all that. You can also do a custom range for what you are looking for. Finally, if you want to learn more on this, you can just come to Instantly Accelerator, located on the left-hand side below here. Bottom left-hand side, you click on that. You notice with Instantly Accelerator, you can access live coaching, that is for Q&A. You can also get started within 5 minutes, and then you can also dial in your niche and offer with Instantly Accelerator. You can also have a setup guide, that is A to Z, on how to set up a cold email engine. You can also get leads, the easiest way to just get your leads done. And so you notice you can do all these, including optimizations and campaign, just by clicking on Instantly Accelerator on the bottom left hand side. I hope this has been helpful, and this can help, and this sets you on the go to use the instantly.ai app. I hope this has been helpful. Kindly like this video, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.